is one topic in agriculture that you can sit down and talk about for hours?
What topic can I sit down and talk about for hours? Well, that would be probably horses or cattle or goats or all three, because I love livestock. I love horses. I love training horses. I love raising cattle. I love raising goats. So if you want me to talk, I can talk hours about those things. But also just the importance of agriculture in our world and why without it we will be nowhere. We will be dead. We will be homeless, you name it. We need agriculture. And so I can sit down and I can show you how you use ag in every day of your life. If you all want to follow me and learn more, please feel free to follow me here on Facebook or on Instagram. And if you need a speaker for women in agriculture or just ag advocacy, please feel free to reach out. Would love to come and join your group.